In today's video, I'll show you how to create a QR code for any link, the fastest and easiest way to share links anywhere. You can place your QR code in your cafe, shop, or office to attract new customers and tell more about your business or company in a modern, engaging way. To make a QR code for your link, go to me-qr.com and click on the Create QR Code button. Then, choose the link type of QR code and paste your desired link. Next, click Customize and download QR code. You can add a frame, write some text to make it more eye-catching, change the pattern or corner style, and even add your own logo or choose one from their collection. Once you're done, download your QR code and share it with friends, clients, or colleagues. Anyone can scan it to open your link instantly. And here's a bonus. If you ever want to change the link after printing your QR code, it's not a problem with MEQR. Just go to your QR codes page, find your created code, click Edit Content, paste the new link, and press Update. You can also update the design, view scan statistics, and manage other settings easily. That's it. Sharing links with QR codes has never been easier. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more quick tutorials. Thanks for watching.